Stay warm with Dr. Infrared Heater, the state-of-the-art energy-saving space zone heater that can heat a large 1,000 square foot room fast. Dr. Infrared Heater keeps you comfortable all winter long and could even help slash your heating bill in half.
Dr. Infrared Heater is the best one that I've ever had.
The heat that it emits is really just warm, just yummy kind of feeling.
Really fast, it's quiet.
The heat from Dr. Infrared Heater is wonderful. It is so gentle and it fills the space. It doesn't blast out at me like other ones that we've used. It just gently fills the space with the warmth that we want. It's really cozy.
You turn the heat on, you know that it will come on instantly. I think every home should have it. Every classroom should have it. I absolutely love it. I can't imagine life without Dr. Infrared Heater.
Now, not only is it affordable and a great value, but it can help you save hundreds of dollars off your home heating costs. In fact, many homeowners enjoy annual savings of up to 50% on their heating costs.
One customer, Steve, writes, "I saved about $110 this month. This heater will pay for itself in 2 months."
And J.A. Mudson writes, "The heat radiates the room and warms everywhere. We have been able to cut off our wall heat and save on rising propane costs."
I mean, we can go on and on. Monica purchased 2 heaters and says she uses them instead of her furnace. With Dr. Infrared Heater, you simply get more for your money. This ingenious high-velocity blower forces heat into the environment for maximum distribution as it stays remarkably cool inside, which ensures maximum hot air distribution and extended operating life. Speaking of which, the lifetime of Dr. Infrared Heater is an incredible 80,000 hours for winter after winter of comfort and savings. That's 4 times longer than other infrared heaters. No other heater on the market can match Dr. Infrared Heater's performance.
What do you say we show our viewers at home just how fast Dr. Infrared Heater works?
Great.
Here we have 2 airtight chambers. Inside one is a space heater with a price tag of over $400. And in the other is Dr. Infrared Heater, which costs not even half of that. Just imagine what this revolutionary heating system can do in your home.
This state-of-the-art heating system features an impressive 5-point safety design that'll give you peace of mind every day and night.
A problem I've encountered with many space heaters in the past is they get too hot. Once they're on, forget about touching them, let alone moving them until they've cooled off. And for added safety and security, Dr. Infrared Heater is engineered with a sensor that automatically shuts off the heating system if the internal temperature reaches an excessive level.
I love this feature. Dr. Infrared Heater has an automatic shut-off timer you can set from 1 hour all the way up to 12 hours.
With Dr. Infrared Heater, I don't have to worry about one of my kids, or Trixie, our lab, bumping into it or knocking it over. Because look at it. It's sturdy, it's solid, it's not going anywhere.
And proudly, Dr. Infrared Heater is listed by ETL and Underwriters Laboratories in the USA and Canada. These marks represent the utmost in safety and quality assurance.
Make this winter the season you start saving big money on home heating and order Dr. Infrared Heater right now. I'm Lori Gerbach.
And I'm David Rosenthal. Thanks for watching.
a Vornado heat your entire room without using intense heat and remain cool to the touch? Average heaters get hot, too hot. Heat builds up on and near the heater, creating an intense up-close experience. However, the heat fails to venture far, leaving cold rooms cold. And with poor circulation, these heaters can only regulate the temperature near the device, unable to provide whole room comfort. A Vornado is different. Unlike average heaters, a Vornado uses powerful air circulation to push out heat. The air flows fast, warm, and gentle in a twisting spiral pattern called vortex action. To create a continuous current of warm air throughout the entire room, a Vornado uses walls and ceiling as pathways to circulate and recirculate the heat, leaving the whole room perfectly warm and comfortable. For added safety, a Vornado comes prepared for everyday unexpected incidents. It automatically shuts off if tipped over or if something blocks the airflow. And because a Vornado doesn't need to use intense heat, it remains cool to the touch, no matter how long it runs. With its 5-year warranty, longevity is something that you won't have to worry about. So, can a heater keep your entire room comfortable without using intense heat and still remain cool to the touch? Feel for yourself. Get a Vornado.